This is the symbolic representation of attached one multiplexer which has got total 8 input lines and 1 output line. Depending upon the input it receives on the selection lines, one of the 8 inputs is going to be selected and will be forwarded on the output line. The relationship between input lines and selection lines can be written as, for n number of input lines, log n base to the 2 number of selection lines exist. E is the enabling terminal of attached one multiplexer. As attached one multiplexer is active low, in order to activate this multiplexer, this E must be grounded. Then coming to the circuit diagram of attached one multiplexer, which is consisting of total 8 AND gates which are going to deal with total 8 data bits D0 to D7. In addition to the data bit connection, every AND gate receives input from the 3 selection lines. These connections can be drawn easily by following this truth table. S2, S1, S0, 3 variables are giving rise to 8 combinations 0, 0, 0 up to 1, 1, 1. With truth table we have the minterms because every combination inherently exhibit AND operation. When S2 is 0, S1 is 0 and S0 is 0, D0 bit is expected to be selected from the multiplexer. For 1, 1, 1, when S2 is 1 and S1 is 1 and S0 is 1, this D7 bit must be selected. So these minterms binary representation can be used to provide the connections to each of the AND gate. For 0, 0 minterm, we know in case of minterm complemented form is 0. So wherever a complemented form is considered as 0. So wherever 0 appears or 0 exists, we are going to attach the NOT gate. So this is the 0, 0, 0, 0th minterm addressing connections. Next, 1 minterm addressing connections are 0, 0, 1, then 0, 1, 0. For 3, 0, 1, 1. In case of 1, we are providing the uncomplemented connection. Without any inversion, we are providing the connection. For 4, 1, 0, 0. For 5, 1, 0, 1. For 6, 1, 1, 0. And for 7, 1, 1, 1. So with these connections, we are going to follow the AND law. What AND law says? A into 1 is equal to A. So if we want to preserve D0 bit or if we want D0 as a output, the other inputs to this first AND gate should be 1. So that is only possible when we feed S2, S1, S0 with 0, 0, 0, and with this NOT gates it will be inverted to 1, 1, 1, and the output of first AND gate will become D0 into 1 is equal to D0. By that time, all other AND gates are going to produce output 0. As we know, OR law, A plus 0 is equal to A. D0 plus 0, the output will become D0. We'll take the another combination of S2, S1, S0 for clear understanding of this attached one multiplexer. When we feed 0, 1, 1, we are expecting D3 bit as a output. So see, these are the connections this AND gate receives. So S2 is inverted to become 1. S1, S0 are attached in their uncomplemented form. So 1 into 1 into 1 will become 1. D3 may be 0, may be 1. D3 into 1 will become D3. With these 0, 1, 1 connections, all other AND gates are going to produce 0 output. So output of this OR gate will become D3 plus 0 is equal to D3. So this is what the attached one multiplexer.